Thank you, dog. Appreciate that. We're just walking around looking at the backyard here. This is where we sprayed out the weeds just about 6 days ago. As you see, a lot of it is yellowing. Yes, thank you very much. But overall, it's not too bad back here. Now a lot of the weeds are yellowing. The Bermuda's okay for the most part, outside of the pee and the poop. We will cut this, and maybe in another week or so, if I have to, I'll spray the weeds out one more time. And hopefully that will take care of all of it, and hopefully it fills in before fall. Alright, just taking a look at the front yard. Not too bad. A mushroom here. So I find this part interesting of the lawn here. I don't know if you can see it, but we've got a dark green here, and then this is like these lighter green areas. Most of the lawn is the lighter green, but through here there is some darker areas, and it's expanding, getting thicker. Here's a good area. Here you can see here is where it's darker, it's like more thick, and then it's just a lighter green color here. Sticks up more. This like mats down almost. I don't know what's going on, if it's two different cultivars or I don't know. So just a quick update here. This is where I sprigged. I did put out the water today because it has been dry, and honestly the whole lawn needs it, but this area I feel like is a little more sensitive and doesn't have the root system as the rest of the lawn. So I did water this in this morning for like 45 minutes using this, and then when I water the whole lawn, this will get it again. But I did spray weeds out here too. You can see it's yellowing right here. So this area is looking pretty good. It is darker over here. Number one, it's been established longer. Number two, I did put PGR and iron in that part of the lawn. I've not put anything here yet, and I will be cutting it soon, maybe today or maybe tomorrow. We'll see.